Hi, welcome back to Suksam channel. I am Effendi from Indonesia. How are you guys? Hopefully you are fine. Today I'm going to share to you one of my philodendron. The name is Philodendron billithi. Actually, I had ever uploaded a video about this plant. At the time, I just bought this video and then I explained how to identify the original Philodendron billithi. At the time, this plant only had one leaf, and now I'm going to show you the update after I care this Philodendron in 1 year. Here is my Philodendron billithi. As you see here, this houseplant grow up happily and I love this houseplant so much. Actually, honestly, it's quite hard for me to make this philodendron grow up faster. It's hard for me to make it grow up faster and to make the size of the leaves bigger than before. Honestly, I do not give special fertilizer for this philodendron. I do not give organic fertilizer or non-organic fertilizer for this house plant. And I think it's one of the reason why this philodendron grow up slowly and the size of the leaf is small enough. As you see here, the quantity of the soil mix is not too much, guys, but here is my trick. What I do to make this philodendron grow up faster and has bigger leaves. As you see here, I let the roots go down to the ground and spread on the ground. I think with this condition, this philodendron will get enough food and has large space to grow up. As you see here, I let the roots spread on the ground and here is the result, guys. Here is the new leaves. Here is the new leaves. As you see here, the size is bigger than before and the color of the philodendron is very green, and here is the new leaves also. As you see here, these new leaves will be bigger than before. I love this and I do not give special fertilizer. I do not give so much soil mix, but I only let the roots spread on the ground and this philodendron can grow up faster and has bigger leaves. Well guys, I think that's all. Hopefully this trick can give additional reference for you about philodendron billithi. Thanks for you has subscribed this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.